Hello there. Voice of Ego's End here. Another daily awakening for you. In 1967, a Harvard doctor locked 3 obese men inside a hospital for 40 days and gave them 0 food. Medical textbooks said their brains should fail without 120 grams of glucose a day. But what happened shocked the doctor himself. So let me tell you about Dr. George Cahill. In 67, he had a question that medicine considered settled. What if the brain doesn't actually need glucose? In the 40 days the 3 men were locked inside of Peter Bent Brigham Hospital, they got no food, just water and vitamins and around-the-clock medical monitoring. Medical orthodoxy was certain the brain consumes 120 grams of glucose a day. They were sure that without food, the functioning was going to collapse. The men should have lost their minds in 2 weeks. But on day 7, there was mental fog, irritability, and hunger. On day 14, symptoms started to fade. Hunger was gone, energy returns. Day 21, day 28, day 40, sharper than before they started. Now, Cahill measured their blood, and the brain wasn't running on glucose anymore. It was running on ketones, which is a fuel produced from body fat. The brain seamlessly switched fuels. The men lost dozens of pounds, mental clarity sharpened, insulin plummeted, and Cahill published the results, and medicine quietly buried them. They told us the brain runs on sugar, but 59 years ago, Harvard proved that it doesn't. No sugar, no grains. Now, the real discovery, it wasn't weight loss, it was metabolic flexibility. Your body has an ancient survival system designed to switch from sugar burning to fat burning when insulin drops. Modern lifestyles keep most people trapped in constant eating. That means constant insulin spikes, constant brain fog and fatigue. Most people never even experience the fuel system their body was built to use. This is why things like intermittent fasting and regular 72-hour fasts can be so powerful. It doesn't just reconnect you to better eating habits, it helps repair your metabolism itself. So I encourage you, if you're able, to take part in intermittent fasting, find a schedule that works for you, to allow your body to experience ketosis, to allow it the chance to burn the ketones, to allow yourself the privilege of the mental clarity that your body was designed to provide for you. Always consult with a medical professional before starting any diets. As always, thank you for joining us. Your watch time benefits nonprofits in both Costa Rica and the United States. So we thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe for plant medicine, indigenous wisdom, and meditations. And as always, blessings from us to you.